This week's Ask Dr. Durie comes from a patient who was tracking information coming out of the ASH meeting held in San Diego this past December. The patient was very excited about the results using a 4-drug combination as frontline therapy. And 2 papers were presented on this, one with daratumumab Velcade Revlimid Index, the Perseus trial, and another one with isatuximab Kyprolis Revlimid Index, the Acaria trial. Both of those studies showed that the length of the first remission was improved using the 4-drug combination versus the 3-drug combination, and this was in the setting of patients who were also eligible to receive an autologous stem cell transplant. But this patient is concerned that, okay, this is great, but we're using up all of our drugs up front. Are we concerned about what will be feasible later? If we're not fully curing myeloma, will there be enough options available later so that we can recoup if there is any new myeloma or relapse happening later, even although the first remission may be quite long at 4, 5, or 6 years or even longer? And fortunately, the answer to this question is a decisive yes, because we are so fortunate right now that so many new immune therapies are available, several already approved by the FDA and many more in clinical trials. And so we do have a lot of very active options that can be used as backup therapy for the future. And so, although we could have concerns about potentially the costs of using 4 drugs and the added side effects, there's really not a concern that we can recoup later. Because of all of the options that we have, this is undoubtedly going to be feasible. So bottom line, if it's attractive and feasible, using a 4-drug combination is probably going to be the way to go, with the understanding that fully active backup therapy will be available most likely in the future.